Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to manage the list of never translated languages in Chrome on your PC. In this guide, we'll show you the simple steps to customize your translation settings. Let's get started. Step 1. On your computer, open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right corner of the browser, click on More, and then select Settings. Step 3. On the left side of the settings page, click on Languages. Step 4. Under the Google Translate section, click on Don't offer to translate these languages. Step 5. To add languages to the list, click on Add Languages. Step 6. Select the languages you want to add from the available options. Step 7. Finally, click on Add to save your changes. To remove a language from the list, simply click on Remove next to the language you want to remove. By following these steps, you can easily manage the list of never translated languages in Chrome on your PC, allowing you to have a more personalized browsing experience.